May 16th, the forgetful cupbearer. The Bible reading is from Genesis chapter 40. Verse for today. When thou didst say, Seek my face, my heart said to thee, Thy face, O Lord, I shall seek. Psalm chapter 27, verse 8. When Joseph was in jail, Pharaoh also imprisoned his baker and his cupbearer. A cupbearer tasted and served wine to those at his master's table. Both of the men had dreams, which Joseph interpreted. The baker was hanged while the cupbearer was restored to the king's favor, just as Joseph had predicted. Joseph had asked the cupbearer to remember him when he was released, but he forgot about Joseph. In Genesis chapter 40, verse 23. Sometimes we behave this way toward God. We seek His help when we're in trouble, but then we forget about Him when things are going well. God doesn't need our help, but He does desire our fellowship. Don't ignore Him. Amen.